About me. My name is Sacramento. I'm 56 and I'm from Guanajuato. I live in Morelia. I work for the Judicature. It's a good job. I like it. I like going to the beach and I like swimming in the ocean. I love classic music, but I don't like going to the movies. There are my family. She is my wife. Your name is Esperanza. She is nursing and she works in the East Hospital. She likes going to the beach and she likes swimming in the ocean. She loves shopping in the mall, but she doesn't like classic music. I have two sons, one daughter and one grandson. Their names are Eduardo, Cynthia, Julian, and Christopher. They like going to the beach, and they like swimming in the ocean.